In this video, you will learn about the vital importance of yawning before you start to sing.
This exercise will help you to gain consciousness of the resonant throat space that you always carry with you. Let's show you how.
Start by joining Max in a heartfelt yawn. When you yawn, your body is in exactly the right position you need to sing. Let your jaw drop down. Start with widening and relaxing your jaw joint. Your tongue should stay relaxed in your mouth. Your tongue root should remain down at the back, as this leaves an open space above it. Your face, shoulders, and neck muscles are now relaxed. Repeat the yawn and notice what it does to your posture and breathing. Keep your mouth relaxed and open as you inhale and exhale. Make sure that your jaw falls down from the back of your jaw, also known as your jaw joint.
Remember, with Max and Maxine, even fish can learn to sing. So, what are you waiting for? Download the app